Hey everybody, and welcome back to another lecture with Coding with Roby. And in this video of the Python Bootcamp, we're going to learn about comments. A Python comment allows you to be able to hide certain information from being compiled when the application is running. And it really allows the developer to understand a specific part of the application. For example, if I type in print hello world, and I right click and run comments, which again is a new file I created for this tutorial, we can see that we print hello world to our application. Now, right above print hello world, I'm going to write a comment that says going to print hello world. We can do this by doing a hashtag or pound sign space going to print hello world. If we right click and run the application again, we can see that nothing changes because we are commenting out going to print hello world. If right under print hello world, I want to say, hi Eric, and I right click and run comments, we can see that we now get hello world and hi Eric. However, if I put a comment in front of print hello world, and I rerun the application, I now only get hi Eric because hello world is now commented out. Now there's multiple ways to make a comment in Python. The first way, again, is by the hashtag or pound sign, which we're seeing in this example. But one thing that we can see is that there could be an error if the comment needs to go over multiple lines. For example, if I want to say this is going over multiple lines, I need to create the pound sign for each line I want to comment out. Now we can accomplish the exact same thing by using 3 double quotation marks. And if you have 3 double quotation marks, it turns it into a string that can go over multiple lines. But if we never actually use the string, then the interpreter of the compilation will just think it's a comment during execution. And really, we can make this comment go over as many lines as we want. If we right-click and rerun the application, we can see that both are valid responses for comments. Another thing we can do is 3 single quotation marks. And now we can see that double quotation marks and single quotation marks are going to give us the exact same response of this is going over multiple lines. It will not cause any errors for our application, and it's a completely successful comment for Python. This wraps up the comments tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.